Hello, dear students. Today we have Proposition 36, Book 1, Proposition 36. Parallelograms on equal bases and in the same parallels are equal to one another. Parallelograms on equal bases and in the same parallels are equal to one another. So it's given that these are two parallelograms, that they are on equal bases and they're in the same parallels. Therefore, they're equal to each other. It is required to prove that they're equal to each other. Let's have some fun here. Let's connect these 2 points. Great. Now, since this is equal to this and this is equal to this, it's given that this is equal to this, and these are opposite sides of parallelograms, therefore they're equal, parallel and equal. So if this is equal to this and this is equal to this, this is equal to this, because two things equal to the same thing are equal to each other. These two are equal and these two are equal. These are both, let's see here. This is equal to this and this is equal to this, therefore they're equal. Two things equal to the same thing are equal to each other, okay? And it was given that they're in the same parallels, that this is parallel to this, because these whole things are parallel. Okay? So, and we connected two equal and parallel lines. We know from our bag of knowledge that two lines be parallel and equal, and we connect them from the extremities with two lines. Those two lines connecting them will both be equal to each other and parallel to each other. Okay? So, this is equal to this and parallel to this. Okay, they're parallel to each other. Okay? So here we have two parallelogramic figures on the same base and in the same parallels. We know from our previous prop that if you have two parallelogramic figures on the same base and in the same parallels, those two parallelogramic figures are equal to each other. So believe it or not, this big fat chunky thing is equal to this long slim thing. It's equal in area. Obviously they're not going to coincide, but they're equal. Okay? So being on the same base over this parallelogram and this parallelogram on the same base and in the same parallels, they're equal to each other. This is equal to this. Okay? Now, look at these two parallelograms on the same base and in the same parallels. Therefore, they're equal to each other. Okay? So this is equal to this. So here you have this equal to this and this equal to this. Two things equal to the same thing are equal to each other. Therefore, this is equal to this. And those were our two given parallelograms and on their equal bases and in the same parallels. Thus we have shown that parallelogramic figures which are equal to each other, which are on equal bases, I should say, sorry, let's start again. Parallelograms on equal bases and in the same parallels are equal to each other. Quod erat demonstrandum. Thank you.